Hello and welcome back to our series. We have done most of our things in previous video of teacher application. We have to change this data from file. Let's do it. Here we have to open file first. Let's open same file. Now to close, we have to close this. Let's see that we have already learned about read lines. I want to say all lines is equal to student file dot read lines. Read lines. Let's check our where is my file? Teacher file. We have to open. We have to insert here. First one is teacher and the second one is password. First one is username, teacher user comma ps here teacher 1 2 3. Let's say it. Let's erase it so that we will initialize again. Here should be line break. Yes, save. It has been saved. Just we have to do is here we have get the lines teacher login line is equal to, let's open it again. Here line will also start from 0 1 2 3 4 and so on, so we have to index. It will get in the list form and we will find list all lines zero and we will split it, split with commas. Why we have to split? Let's see the file. Here there is username and there is a password. Let's go here. Let's see the line. Username is equal to, if username is equal to login line and it is again list, it is in 0 and password, user password is equal to login line, this is in first position. Let's change here. This should be username, this should be password. First of all let's try it. What we have written here, this is a teacher user and teacher 1 2 3. ch here teacher, us here user and ts here teacher 1 2 3. we may get password invalid. This is due to we have given a line break here, so we have to again split it. no, we have to return here with /n. This is the main disadvantage of file. Let's run it. Invalid syntax. Here we have to give on braces here to run it. Let's say username here teacher here user here teacher 1 2 3. Sorry, we have done wrong, again wrong. This should be placed here. Control V. Let's remove the braces here because it have already the line break, but it has no line break, so we match it. 5 TS here teacher US here user. I think it is. We should confirm it as teacher user. Then ES here teacher 1. It's teacher user TS here teacher 1 2 3. Yes, it have give. We want to quit here because there we have to change other things too. Let's quit here. Let's not do this hat trick. Let's split here. Let's remove this and try again. Yes, run it. here teacher US here user teacher 1 2 3. Again it is wrong credential. Let's view the file. We have not saved it, we have to save it. Let's here teacher user here teacher 1 2 3. Yes, we have got it. How did it happen? Let's open the file again and see. Here is on comma and the space will be given a 1 place, means list will be up to second position 0 1 and 2. We need only 1 and 2, so we need not anything else. Then we can do it. Let's change other 2. Yes. In searching we need not to change anything. In input also we need not to change anything, but we need to change in printing all. Where is printing all? Yes, no read. All student is equal to student file. Student file dot read lines. We get lines. Let's make a loop here. For loop for student and student in all student we are going to loop here student range. This is range we want to print from 1 to 1 to len dot all student student means up to last line. Just print all student and pass student. This is the index of student. We have get indexes. This is started from 1. First 1 2 3 4. Let's look the file. Here when we insert, here it will insert here, then here, then here. Let's make this line. So next let's remove it here. Let's run it. First we have to insert some value. here teacher user here teacher 1 2 3. I think this I want to write file id 1001 smart student section is C percentage. He is smart but not in studies 45%. I want to write again loser. ID should be I want to use numeric 1002. He is loser. He is section B but he is not loser in studies 86%. Let's read the file. I want to read all data. Sorry, student file not defined. We have do something here. Let's check it to yes student. Here should be T. Let's run it. We have to read only TS here teacher user TS here teacher 1 2 3. Sorry for this. Teacher user TS here teacher 1 2 3. Yes, it is. We want to read all line. All student have not been defined here. Where is all student? Yes, this is here. We will get some when we will be tired. I am so tired on making videos, so let's run it from starting. Run. I want to read only here teacher user TS here teacher 1 2 3. I want to read it all data. Yes, I have get it. Why we have get this space? Yes, I have already told. We have to give here so that there is already one line break in a file and it will give again line break. So we doesn't want to give line break here. Let's we will search ID2. Let's see what happen. We need to change or not. We will find here. I think we need not to change the search because search will find a specific user and its line. Sorry, specific students roll number in its line. I want to read search student. I have 1001. Yes, it give me. I want to read again. I want to search it 1000. Not found. I want to read it. I want to read all data. Yes, I have get it. This is all data of the student. We can print anything here. When we enter this, we can print here. First of all, before here SID search student something A, here decision is equal to A, we can print here line, means what we get result here, maybe get here as here we can print student ID, name, and we can give space too, means above this ID, name, section and roll number 2. You can do it yourself. We can give space here. Here I want to illustrate here where it is this line, yes, here like this, but this will not be happened because we will give format only here. We will print format here with specific line. This will get by this, and we will insert a specific line. It will, if we insert this will make a specific space, means 12 spaces. Please try it and ask if you haven't understood. We will start file and we have finished file handling, and we will start database handling in next video, and we will solve this query of yours after database handling. And please comment. I will provide Facebook page for you soon. I have not created it, and I will creating soon, and making P&E Studios Facebook page. Like, share and subscribe these videos. Thank you for watching this video.